Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make stuffed plantains with shrimp, and I add some veggie. It is so good. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it. Just stay with me. All right guys, that's everything I have. I'm gonna make something very simple for you guys. I already said I'm gonna make some stuffed plantains. I have my green plantains, I have some tomatoes, and I'm gonna make some shrimp on top of it. If you guys want, you guys can cook any type of meat you guys want, or you guys can only do vegetable. But I'm gonna do some shrimp, and I have salt, I have some Maggi. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go season my shrimp, because I have another video on my page where I show you guys how to make shrimp. You guys can go watch that video if you guys don't know how to make shrimp. And I'm gonna go season my shrimp, and after that I will show you guys what I do next. All right guys, I already seasoned my shrimp. Let me show it to you. And I have some tomatoes, some onion, some green pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper. I just chop them, and I put some Tabasco sauce, some salt, some lemon pepper. Some lemon water, and that's what we're gonna put it on top of this shrimp, on top of the plantains. Now, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna make my shrimp. You don't want them to stay too long. I'm gonna leave it like that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna turn the other side, leave it for 2 minutes, and it will be done. All right, for the people that don't know how to peel the skin out of your plantains, I'm gonna do the first one for you guys. I'm gonna show you. Watch out for your hand. Just gonna do this. You see? I'll show you like this. Because we're gonna do a bowl with the plantains. Now what I'm gonna do, let me show you guys. You can do this, get the knife with this side, do this, and let me put that aside. With one plantains, I'm gonna make it 3. You see, 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna cut the other 2. All right, the oil is hot. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna add our plantains. And you're gonna leave it for like 5 minutes so you can make sure it cooks good. I'm gonna let it cook for like 5 minutes. All right guys, you need a lemon squeezer to do the plantains. I don't have a lemon squeezer, but I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Just bear with me. You're gonna push it like that. But if you have a lemon squeezer, you don't have to do all that. You're just gonna push it. See what you see. I'm just gonna do it like that again. Make sure you squeeze it all the way down. But if you have a lemon squeezer, that will be better. You don't have to do everything I'm doing. Just push the plantains, and you're gonna do it like that, and you're gonna press it down. All right guys, next what I'm gonna do, we're gonna make our salt water for the plantains. Not everybody do it, but Asian, when we fry our plantains, we always do a little salt of water. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, not that much. Let me show you guys this one, and you're just gonna mix it, all of it. You don't want it to have too much salt, a little bit. And what I'm gonna do, show you guys, they didn't come perfect, but once you use the lemon squeezer, is gonna be better. And what I'm gonna do, you do this. You can put them in the side, so you don't want, when you put them in the oil, for the oil like to go on you. All right guys, we're gonna just add our plantains. Do it like that. We're gonna fry them until they crispy. Leave them for like 3 to 5 minutes. You can check them to see when they crispy. You're gonna see they crispy. All right guys, now you always gonna put a piece of napkin when you're frying anything you're frying so the oil can stay on it. I'm gonna take my plantains. You know what? Let's put them upside down. Let me show you guys so all the oil can come out. I'm gonna get it like this, and you just put it like this. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do, I'm done frying my plantains. We're gonna add a little bit of the vegetable. We're gonna put some shrimp on top of it. I love shrimp. I'm gonna put a lot of shrimp for myself, but for my husband, he doesn't like seafood like that. I make some steak. I fry some steak for him, and you're gonna add a little bit of the vegetable sauce with some spice. It's very spicy, guys. And I have some dry parsley. You guys can add some fresh parsley if you guys want. And voila, I'm gonna make sure I fill all of them in. I don't know if you guys can see them good. All right guys, I'm done. Look at that. They look good, they taste good. I'm ready to get some more, guys. Yep, that's the final result. Just follow my step. It's very easy. That's a perfect appetizer to make. And please, if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. God bless you all. Thank you.